Using a ruler for better proofreading. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an old school but super effective proofreading technique, using a ruler. This simple tool can transform your proofreading accuracy, especially when focusing on moving it line by line. Let's find out how. Believe it or not, a ruler can be one of the best allies in the quest to perfect your writing. Here's why. 1. Minimize distractions. It helps you concentrate on one line at a time, reducing the chance of skimming. 2. Improved accuracy. By focusing on one line, you can catch errors you might otherwise overlook. 3. Pacing. It can control the speed at which you read, making sure you don't rush through the content. Using a ruler for proofreading is straightforward, but here's a step-by-step guide to ensure you get the most out of this technique. 1. Place the ruler under the first line of text you want to proofread. 2. Read slowly, ensuring you understand each word and its context. 3. Move the ruler down to the next line once you're sure the current line is error-free. This forces you to maintain a systematic approach. 4. Look for inconsistencies, grammar mistakes, and typos as you go along. 5. Repeat until you've proofread the entire piece. When using a ruler, avoid these common pitfalls. 1. Rushing. The whole point of using a ruler is to slow down and focus. Don't defeat its purpose by speeding through. 2. Over-reliance. While the ruler is a fantastic tool, always trust your instincts too. If something feels off, even if it looks right when proofreading with the ruler, check it. 3. Skipping lines. Be careful not to accidentally skip lines when moving the ruler. This is a common mistake and defeats the purpose of using the ruler. There you have it. The simple, yet powerful technique of using a ruler for proofreading. It might take a bit of getting used to, but with practice, it can be a game changer for ensuring your work is error-free. We hope this tip aids you in your English language journey. Happy proofreading!